Section 5.3 notes. It's really simple. It's adding, subtracting, and multiplying polynomials. So you're doing nothing in addition or subtraction or anything. You're doing nothing to the exponents. You're simply combining like terms. So like if you have 1 apple plus 2 apples, you have 3 apples. So kind of like here, I'm going to combine my x cubes. 2x cubed plus 1x cubed gives me 3x cubed. My x squared, negative 5x squared, plus 6x squared becomes plus 1x squared. I got x here, nothing there, so I just have plus 3x. And then the last thing I got is minus 9 plus 11 becomes plus 2. So all you're doing is combining like terms. Subtraction, you have two options here. You can distribute this negative into everything, or just subtract and make sure to remember this negative. So that's what I'm going to do. So I got 3x squared and 8x, or x cubed and 8x cubed. So 3x squared minus 8x cubed becomes negative 5x cubed. My x squared. So I got 2x squared minus negative x squared. So it's like it's plus. 2x squared plus x squared becomes plus 3x squared. Got 5x here. It's a minus 5x, so it becomes plus 5x. And the last thing I got here is my number. Negative 10 minus negative 1 becomes negative 10 plus 1 becomes negative 9. Multiplying, just distribute and then combine like terms. So distribute to everything. So starting off with the first one, I like to do multiplication on top of each other, like that instead of that. Because then when I multiply, it's kind of like when you did multiplication with two digits. So we do negative 2 times negative 6 gives me positive 12. Negative 2 times 3y, negative 6y. And negative 2 times 5y squared, negative 10y squared. Now we move to this one. Y times negative 6, negative 6y. Y times 3y, 3y squared. And y times 5y squared gives me 5y cubed. And then from there, you just add your like terms. So I have 5y cubed minus 7y squared minus 12y plus 12. And all done. If you have more than one, kind of like this one does, I would FOIL first and then do vertical ones. So I'm going to ignore this one right now and FOIL this because I can do that. So I have x squared minus 3x plus 2x, so minus x minus 6. That's these two multiplied together. Now I'm going to take this one and bring it down here vertically. So 2x minus 7. We're going to do the vertical multiplication again. So negative 6 times negative 7 gives me positive 42. Negative 7 times negative x gives me plus 7x. Negative 7x squared. Then I keep going. I do the 2 times that, negative 12x, negative 2x squared, and 2x cubed. Now what you're doing is you're just adding. You're combining like terms. So I have 2x cubed minus 9x squared minus 5x plus 42. Same thing here, I got 4x minus 3 squared, so that's the same thing as 4x minus 3 times 4x minus 3. So now I just FOIL 16x squared minus 12x minus 12x plus 9. And combine my like terms. So I got 16x squared minus 24x plus 9. So in my next one, instead of being squared, so twice like this one was, I got to do it 3 times. So first time I'm going to do it twice, get 2 of them out of the way, and FOIL these. So I got x squared plus 10x plus 25 when I FOIL those. Now I got to add in my third in there, x plus 5, multiply that in. So 5 times 25 gives me 125. 5 times 10x, 50x. 5x squared. X times 25. 10x squared. And x cubed. But my last step is I just combine my like terms. So I get x cubed plus 15x squared plus 75x plus 125. There you go. That's 5.3.